Good morning, second grade. Today we are going to learn about create your own math game. And this is bullet point 7 on the Learning Hub. So one of the math games that I've come up with is on pieces of paper. I had to get a piece of paper and tear them or cut them and write equations on here. So I've written 20 plus 10, and then I've also written the answer that goes with it, and I'm going to make a math game out of this. I've also written 10 plus 10, and it equals 20. I've written 2 plus 3, and it equals 5. And last but not least, 6 plus 4, and then it equals 10. So in my lesson, this is my working mat, and I'm going to put the answers on one side and the equations on the other in just random order, and it's going to be like a matching game, but you also kind of have to remember where the other cards are, so it's a memory game as well. So I'm going to first turn over. I have 2 plus 3. I know that 2 plus 3 equals 5, so I need to remember where I put the 5. Well, I don't know right now where the 5 is, so I'm going to guess. And I turned over 30, so no, that's not right. So I'm going to try and remember that that's 30. I'm going to try, oh, here we go. So we have 2 plus 3 equals 5. So I'm going to set that aside on my board. I still have these left. So, and I'm pretty sure that one's 30, because I can remember 10 plus 10. So I know it's not this one. It's either the top one or the bottom one. And the answer to that would be 20. Oh, I got it. That was a lucky guess. I still know that this answer is 30. I have 6 plus 4 here, so I know that this has got to be 10. And it is. And then the last but not least, 20 plus 10 is 30. So now what you want to do is just kind of go over this and read it to yourself. 20 plus 10 equals 30. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Then just try and see if you can remember the answer on your own and get really, really good at it. There is one more game that I wanted to show you, and that is equations that equal 10. So we all know what an equation is, right? Like this is an equation, 6 plus 4 equals 10. So I'm going to put a 10 right here, and I'm going to make different cards that have different combinations that equal 10. So this is 6 plus 4. You can also flip-flop it and say 4 plus 6. You can write 2 cards for that. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10, or you can flip-flop it and say 0 plus 10 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10, or you can flip-flop it and say 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10, and then you can also flip-flop that. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And then 1 plus 9 equals 10, and you can also flip-flop that to say 9 plus 1 equals 10. With combinations to 10, you need to know them automatically. So if I ask what's 3 plus 7, you should be able to say 10 right away. So you need to get really good at that. I will be back with more lessons, so have fun with this one. Bye.